Hello and welcome to Chap Server YouTube channel. This is my new channel. I'm just launching today, and for the purpose of launching this YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how to install Magneto 2 on your local server. And to do this successfully, um, we need to do few things um, before we install Magento on the local server. This Magento also can be installed uh, with different type of other method. But for my own understanding, um, I'll be installing Magento 2 the way I'm going to show you in this tutorial. And this tutorial may take us a few series. And what's going to happen is that I will try as much to just go straight to the point and just make it more uh, more clearly. And then what is going to happen at the end of the series, if there's any issue that you think that you want me to solve, I'll be much available to do so. To successfully install Magento on your local server, there are things that we need to do. One of it is to make sure that we have Apache running on our website, on our local server, that is on our local machine. And I'm not going to go into detail on telling you what is a XAMPP, which stand for cross-platform, Apache, Meredith, and then you got the first P there to be PHP and the other one to be power. So they combine together, to allow us to run the same thing that we're going to run on our hosting server on local server, if you understand what I mean. So as I was saying, we're going to make sure that we have the server running on our local machine. And once we get the server running on our local machine, we'll head up to create a folder in that within that local server, or in the local server in one of the folder called htdocs. And after creating that folder, we'll head up again to create a database, because there is no any CMS that you wanted to install that will not require you to have a database. And then the Apache server already have that of MySQL database. So that is what we're going to be using through the PHP admin. So after we create the database, and then we will now download Magento 2. After we download the Magento 2, we'll set up Magento 2 and configure Magento 2. If we successfully done that, and then we fix any error, we fix any issue that you come across during the installation, then we'll go ahead to to download. If we wish, we could download Magento with a data, like a sample data or demo data, which is a live product, and then we can be able to manipulate that. Or we could also buy our own theme or download a theme, and then we'll start teaming. So to install Apache on our local server, what we need to do is to head up to Apache Friend website. That's www.apachefriend.org, and then we need to download the one with a version 7, a PHP version 7. And after we've done that, in that folder, we'll be having a folder on our C drive, which is going to call XAMPP. And inside that place, like I said, there's going to be a folder there called htdocs. We're going to create a folder there, and then name the folder Magento site. And so inside that folder, we create, this is going to be the folder tree. So htdocs, then this folder. So this is where we're going to put our Magento 2. So I would like to also point out here that because this is my new channel, YouTube will not allow me to upload large file. So this tutorial, each part, I'll break them into parts, and each of the parts will just last for under 10 minutes. So, and then probably when you guys subscribe to my channel, and then I have more followers, I have more you know, I'm going to have more ability. I'm going to have ability or to upload larger file. Then I can make longer video. But within 10 minutes of that video, I'll make sure that you get something very important. So not to waste time now, let's end up and uh, go back to this stage where we wanted to download our Apache. So if we go to this website, like I said, www.apachefriends.org, and then we can download. And then you can see here, they say that we can the new Apache now is supported PHP 7. So if you are downloading, like me, I'm using Windows, so this is what I'll be downloading. If you are using Linux, this is what you're going to be downloading. And then if you are using Safari, that's Apple computer, this is what you're going to be downloading. This is where you're going to click. But to do that, we just need to click on this, and then it's going to bring us to this page, and whereby we have variety of versions, which is the latest one, 7, which is the one that I wanted to download for Windows. And then, like I said, if you want to if you are using Linux, this is what you're going to download. If you are using Safari, this is what you download. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on this and download it. So it's going to bring us to this page, and then it's downloading now. And what we're going to get later is going to be this pop-up. And when this is going to pop up, we're just going to say yes, and we say okay. And now XAMPP is downloading on our server. We click next. Like I said, it's coming with this MySQL PHP admin, and this is the power we're talking about. That's a when you say XAMPP, the PP is this PHP and power. So we click on next, and this is the folder that is going to it already create this folder on our C drive. We click next, and then we click next again. So I should have click out this pop-up, but it come up, so we just delete that. So after we finish the downloading, and then it's going to ask us setup is ready, and then we click on that, and then it's going to start installing. So we wait for it to download. So you can see the download is almost ready now, and then we just wait for it to complete download. If it depends on our internet connection, it could take up to like 5 minutes. And here we go. It's now creating on installer at 75%, and we should be ready to go. This is it. So it's fully downloaded now. So when you click on finish, it's going to say we should launch. So we save that English type, and you can see here Apache now is ready on my server on our local machine. We just need to click start, and then we click start on that, and that's it. Apache now is running on our website. And then if you wanted to check on our local machine, if you wanted to check that, we can go to the admin, and that shows us that yes, we are having Apache. You can see local server, local host. So the next tutorial, we'll move to the next stage. Thank you for watching.